Hello.
Today, I'll show you how to add pop-ups to those markers we created earlier. Let's get started. First, open your project in VS Code, and then open the file named map.jsx. That's where we'll add the pop-ups. Inside the maps load function, I'm creating the pop-up using setText. This adds simple text to the pop-up without any special styling. It's a quick way to show a message or info when someone clicks the marker. Here's the marker code we had before. We just added one important change. We use setPopup to link our pop-up to this marker. This tells Mapbox to show the pop-up whenever someone interacts with the marker. That's it. The marker should now show the pop-up when you interact with it. Let's check and see how it looks on the map. Okay, the marker is showing, but you can't see the pop-up text. That's because by default, the text color is white and it blends into the background. To fix this, we'll change the text color in our app's CSS file to make it visible. Now our basic pop-up is working, but if you want the pop-up to be open by default, as soon as the map loads, just add this line. This will make the pop-up appear right away without needing to click the marker. Now let me show you another way to create a pop-up without using setText. Instead, you can use setHTML and pass in any HTML you like. This lets you add custom styles, multiple lines, or even images inside your pop-up. Now, let's add some style to our pop-up. With setHTML, you can include inline styles like making the text bold and red. You'll see the styled text appear right on the map. Let's make the pop-up dynamic by showing the marker's current coordinates. First, we'll give a name to our marker by storing it in a variable. This way, we can easily access it later to update the pop-up content. Now, we'll make our pop-up update automatically when the marker is dragged. We do this by listening to the drag-in event on our marker. Inside that event, we get the marker's new longitude and latitude, then update the pop-up content with those coordinates. This way, the pop-up always shows the marker's current location. Great! It works perfectly. You've just learned how to add pop-ups to markers, style them, and even make them dynamic by showing updated coordinates. Keep experimenting with these techniques, and you'll be creating interactive maps in no time. Thanks for watching.